What if I tell you, you don't have to lose for me to win, and I don't have to lose for you to win? This mindset is called think win win. Most people are trained to think win lose. If someone gets ahead, we feel insecure. If someone succeeds, we feel threatened. But successful people think differently. They think win win. Win win thinking means I care about my success and I care about your success too. Look at business. If you cheat your customer, you may win once, but you lose trust forever. That's win lose. But when both sides benefit, when value is created for everyone, that's win win. And that's how empires are built. Same rule applies to relationships. If only one person is happy, the relationship will not survive. Win win creates respect, win win creates peace, win win creates growth. People with a win lose mindset ask, how can I defeat you? On the other hand, people with a win win mindset ask, how can we grow together? And remember this, when you help others win, you don't lose power. In fact, you get influence. Life is not a small pizza where if I get a bigger slice, you get less. Life is unlimited. Opportunities multiply when minds collaborate. So, stop competing blindly, start collaborating intelligently. Think long term, not short term. Think abundance, not scarcity. Because real success is not about who finished first, it's about how many people reached the finish line with you. So, from today, don't think win lose, don't think lose lose, think only win win. Because when everyone wins, you win bigger. So, if you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.